Are you looking to grow your event planning business and get more local leads? Let's dive into 3 simple strategies that can help you get more customers for your event planning services. First, get out into your community. Attend local networking events, join business groups, and don't forget to always have business cards on hand. People trust planners they've met in person. Second, be sure to use social media to show off all your event planning skills. Post pictures and videos of events you've organized and make sure to tag local businesses and venues in your posts. This helps your posts reach people in your area who may be looking for your services. Third, ask your happy clients for reviews. Word of mouth is certainly powerful. Positive reviews on Google and Yelp can help potential clients feel confident choosing your event planning services. And finally, having a website for your business is an absolute must. For just $9 a month, you can easily build a professional website for your event planning services on Marty sites. It's affordable, easy, and essential to showcase your services. You can start building your online presence today with Marty sites. There's a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial, and check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. All the best.